When I have potatoes at home, this is the recipe I make. They are tasty and juicy. There's no way to resist them. Let's start our recipe by cutting 8 potatoes in half. Now transfer all the potatoes to a pan. Then add water until it covers all the potatoes. Once this is done, we will add half a spoon of salt. Mix very well. Now let the potatoes cook for 15 minutes. Okay, our potatoes are already cooked. Now remove them from the heat in another pan. We will add a spoon of butter. Wait for the butter to melt. Then we will add all the potatoes in here and let them fry. Let one side fry really well and then just flip it over. We will season our potatoes with black pepper to taste. Also add half a teaspoon of oregano and half a spoon of sweet paprika. Continuing, add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Also add another spoon of butter and mix everything very well. Now add the juice of half a lemon and mix very well. To finish, add green scent to taste. Here I'm using coriander, and our recipe is ready. It's wonderful, people. Make these potatoes at home. I'm sure your whole family will love them. They're incredible. There's no way to resist. If you've made it this far, let me know a rating from 0 to 10. What rating do you give to this recipe?